Such a feeling coming over, 'cause I finally have my party tonight. Thanks to my media men, Mark, Miguel, and Jenaline. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen. To my awesome BCF angels, I miss one. They are Melissa, Agnes, and Maria. Thank you, angels, for that decor. You made this place like Amazon store. I have a soft spot in my heart for. Nanginginig ako. I'm on the top of the world. While you are munching and munching the most delicious food tonight is the love that I've found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. My three gorgeous hosts tonight, they are Phoebe, Jennifer, and of course Caroline. Thanks for leading us tonight. You're absolutely light. You're both pretty and I hope it didn't make you sweat. To my basketball mommies and families, thanks for coming here events to put out your way. To my lovely family, BCF family, your support and moves are in the groove. Nakalimutan ko na ng you're looking swell.